Hey everybody, happy Friday. All right. Hope you guys had a good catch-up day yesterday, getting everything turned in. Today we're going further with the risks and talking about reckless risks. So, to take you through the page today, at the bottom you can find, as always, the PowerPoint, the PDF for the homework submission tab, and then reckless risks text if you want to read through the textbook. Okay. My video is here. So task 1, you're already completing it. Task 2, here is the PowerPoint as always if you want access to that on your own. And then here's the video of me going through the PowerPoint. It's a shorter PowerPoint today, okay, like 5 minutes long. So watch that. And then the worksheet, complete that by midnight tonight and enjoy your 3-day weekend. So here's the PowerPoint. Here is the PDF, which is the homework. Turn in the homework by tonight at midnight. And then here's the text if you want to read through it. So if you want to go through quickly the homework for tonight, and then you guys have a 3-day weekend, no homework. Okay, read through the 5 reasons that we talked about in the video, that we're going to talk about in the video. Okay, pick one of these 5 reasons to take a risk, and then write a sentence or two applying it to your own life. And that, all right, and then just ponder these at the bottom here. You don't have to fill anything out. All right. Have a good weekend.